In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit availability in Microsoft Bookings. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust your working hours for a specific staff member and make sure your calendar is accurately reflected in your bookings. Let's start with the basic idea. Microsoft Bookings lets you control when you're available for appointments, either by using standard business hours or by setting custom hours for each staff member. Editing availability is especially useful if your schedule is different from the default business hours or if one team member works a different shift than others. First, open Microsoft Bookings and go to the booking page for your organization or business. Once you're there, look for the section where your staff members are listed. You want to find the specific staff member whose availability you want to change. This might be yourself or someone else on your team, depending on your role and permissions. When you've found the right staff member, select that member to open their details. On this page, you'll see general settings for that person, such as their name, email, and role. But what we're interested in is their availability settings. To adjust these, click the pencil or edit icon. This icon is usually near the availability or working hours section and indicates that you're about to make changes. Once you're in the editing view, look for an option labeled Use Business Hours. This option means that the staff member's availability is tied directly to the default business hours you've set for your organization. If this box is checked, the person's schedule will mirror the standard business hours and you won't be able to customize their hours independently. To set custom working hours for this staff member, you need to uncheck Use Business Hours. As soon as you do this, the interface should expand or update to let you specify availability by day and by time. Now, you can define exactly when this person is available for bookings. For example, you could set them to work only in the mornings on certain days, or give them different hours on different weekdays. Take your time here and match these hours to their real schedule as closely as possible. As you adjust the times, think about how people will actually book with this staff member. If there are regular breaks, a lunch period, or days off, make sure those are reflected in the hours you set. You want to avoid a situation where someone can book an appointment during a time the staff member is never actually available. There is one more very important setting you need to confirm. Look for the option that says Events on Office Calendar affect availability. Make sure this option is checked. With this enabled, Bookings will look at the staff member's office calendar and block times that already have events, such as meetings or other appointments. This prevents double bookings and keeps everything in sync across your tools. If you leave this unchecked, Bookings might show free time even when the person is busy in their office calendar, which can lead to conflicts and confusion. So always verify that this setting is turned on before you finish. After you've set the custom hours and confirmed that office calendar events will affect availability, review everything one more time. Check the days, start and end times, and that final calendar option. When it all looks correct, save your changes. That's all you need to do to edit availability in Microsoft Bookings for a staff member, set custom working hours, and keep everything aligned with their office calendar.